Today you join me here with two very, very special minis in collaboration with DEUS Ex Machina. I'm joined with one of the designers from the team.
Hi everyone, I'm Matthias. As Luke said, part of the design team for these two special cars here in collaboration with DEUS Ex Machina.
I've literally just walked in here 5 minutes ago. I had no idea, had to sign an NDA, so I literally knew nothing about it, and I couldn't have guessed how incredible this is. Like, I'm blown away right now. I want to buy a Mini. This is wow. So we're going to start off with this one, which I correctly guessed from the beginning is very beach themed, surfer themed design. Looks incredible. This being the electric one.
We have here the John Cooper Works electric model. We kind of designed these two as a pair of siblings. One being the more how would a surf shop build a race car, and with the other car that we're going to go into a little later is a bit more kind of how a motorbike shop or a metal workshop would kind of make their take on a race car.
Which you can also see very clearly. That's like, it's very clear from the beginning.
Yeah, and I mean, it starts right off from the materiality of this car. Of course, being made in fiberglass, and not only that, if you put your hand behind the wing blade over there, you actually see it's a clear kind of untreated fiberglass.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
The inspiration came actually from a special type of surfboard. You can see here how it transitioned from kind of clear into the more solid part here. Also, the shape inspiration of the wing is all kind of taken inspiration from.
Is it difficult to shape? I never thought about using fiberglass as a wing.
It's a good question. Yeah. It's actually, it's actually a fusion between technologies. So we have fiberglass kind of laminating, but as well integrated kind of the 3D printed piece in here to get the structural rigidity to also stick on properly and work at speed.
Being a surf-inspired car, can you put a surfboard on top? Because I can see these, like roof rack mounts?
Yeah, exactly. So the idea here is, so surfboards come in all different kind of lengths and sizes. So actually the type of surfboard that we use for inspiration as for the spoiler is actually quite short. So that's why we have it in this configuration here.
Oh, so you can add an additional strap here.
The idea is if you would need it, you can then strap it on using the front mounting point here. Of course, with these kind of milled aluminum inserts with the DEUS inscription.
The wheels, by the way, on both of them, we'll show both wheels. They are just my new favorite wheel.
Yeah.
They are spectacular. The other one looking a bit F1 style, and these with all of these holes, I guess also to reduce weight or just to look cool, whatever. They look amazing.
Yeah, cool. And I mean, it's all taking sort of cues from kind of racing history and heritage of Mini and John Cooper Works. And of course, this is a little bit of a rally-inspired wheel, encapsulated also by these fenders, riveted on, and you can see the details, such as like the yellow painted, which is coming again all over the car, these little rib nuts.
Let's have a look around the front, because I walked past this briefly earlier. Super eye-catching, crazy LED outline, not just on the headlights, of course, but the whole front. Will both of these be cars they will be able to drive on the road? Like, will we be able to see them on the road?
That's the question.
Okay.
I think there's nothing official on that yet. So
because I hope I want to see these on the road. They're just spectacular.
Yeah.
I love the front. It's just beautiful. What can I say? It's one of those cars that actually you don't want to put a number plate anywhere, right? Because it's going to ruin the design. I would happily take a fine for not having a number plate on to say, look how beautiful this is. I can't put a number plate on the front. Can we take a quick look inside?
Yeah, please open it up.
Cool, this is super cool. So super stripped outdoors, keeping it lightweight, I guess, as much as you can. I love all these details.
The pull straps to open the door.
The seats are just, wow, absolutely incredible.
Yeah, and on the inserts of these this really tight gripping bucket seats are actually
Can I
upholstered
sit in quick?
For sure, yeah.
I'm going to put my microphone in the other pocket.
So it's actually a neoprene upholstery inside to keep on the surf theme.
Wow. That's perfect fitting seat for me. That's a sign, right?
Yeah.
I would say it's quite nicely tilted back.
For sure.
And I'm just feel like I'm being held by a hand. Okay, this is cool. It gives this vibe inside. You're having light come through, and of course the cross on top, which looks also cool from in here.
Yeah.
It's giving just, I'd say that's one of the coolest vibes I've ever felt in a car. It's really, really special. Actually, can we open the boot?
Yeah, please.
Yeah?
Just.
Oh, that's cool. It just gets cooler every time you look into a new place.
Yeah, so in here is, you can see the surf theme continues. So for the storage solution, we have kind of these drip trays and fasteners, so you can throw like a wetsuit.
Wetsuit, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Anything wet from surfing. I can't fault this at all. It's wow, it's super impressive for everyone who has worked on this.
So I know which one might be your favorite then of these.
Well, actually both would be best, because this visually and the style is super cool, and the surfing theme I love. But then this, the race car, the sound obviously.
Exactly.
So have to have both. Anyway, let's move on to this absolute monster. It really looks wild. Some serious fun. It's wide. I'm assuming it sounds good. I've not heard it yet. There's a gigantic, what looks like a drift brake in the middle, bucket seats. I want to know everything about this.
Yeah, I mean, we talked about the surf sibling.
Yeah.
Here we're going into the kind of machine shop version. We have also a lot of kind of references to classic racing minis. So, as you already pointed out, it's very wide thanks to these wheel
wide,
arches.
Yeah.
This is actually a style that really also you've seen in history on classic racing minis from the past.
Yes.
Another highlight, as you pointed out earlier, the wheels. These are kind of inspired by like a steel wheel, but of course here completely custom made in aluminium, so still lightweight.
I love steel wheels also.
Yeah.
So when I grew up in the 90s, when steel wheels were very cool.
Yes.
They were a thing, especially white ones. It was like this rally theme.
Steel profile bent with this perforation, as well
cool,
a theme that goes again on both of these cars, this kind of drilled hole aesthetic. The headlights are replaced with actually air intakes to feed the engine with cool air.
Oh yeah.
So these are really, actually fully functional.
Okay. Oh yeah. I can feel the holes.
Yep.
And still metal in there as well.
Oh yeah.
So just because you can't see it, they've not used plastic. It's still metal in there as well. Yeah, these strips are super cool.
And these are of course the kind of John Cooper Works iconic fascia.
Quick look inside.
Absolutely.
So it's similar but different.
Exactly.
Same but different.
Yeah. So here we have even more kind of raw focus on performance.
Yeah, that's a real racing driver position with the deep dish wheel, nice and close.
Yeah.
This here, check this out. My God, this is 100% the coolest Mini I've ever sat in. Oh. Sounds nice.
Can you give it?
That's really nice. I don't want to get out, so it's such a cool place to be.
So in here we have, of course, the chassis reinforcements, which then the seat belts are mounted to.
Yes, yeah.
So very functional. And as you can see here, we have a netting as
Helmet.
well.
Is that a helmet under
Exactly.
there?
So this
So,
netting
yeah.
here is for when you want to store your helmet.
Yeah.
And then in the rear here we have the classic, or from the Cooper Works model, already prominent diffuser.
Yeah.
But here it's really taken to the max with these Venturi tunnels.
I love the
channeling
center
here.
exhaust as well,
Yeah.
which is also on the road car. I love that.
Exactly.
That the Mini brought that back. It's a center exhaust on a Mini, just looks really, really cool.
Yeah, absolutely. And from the rear here, as you pointed out on the other car, you also see kind of really how wide it is with these chunky tires.
How much wider than an original is it? Do you know?
Oh, I don't know. Don't have the exact numbers, but it's roughly around 80, 90 millimeters per side. So
yeah,
it's quite wide.
Yeah, it's very noticeable. Yeah. Going to end today's video now. Thank you so much for the time.
Happy to have you.
I'm going to be thinking about these cars for quite some time. Hopefully see them again. Hopefully see them on the road at some time. And maybe I will also receive an invitation once to drive one of them. I would love to see this at a beach once as well. Both of these cars will be on show at the IAA. This is a car show in Munich, the Mini Pavilion. So please go there, go see both of these masterpieces. They are truly spectacular. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cool.
Cool.
Very cool. Good. Really appreciate it. That was very cool, yeah.